piping systems. And basically what we've gone for is what they call their Safety Plus range. And in their Safety Plus range, the internal diameter of the actual system doesn't reduce even with the fittings, because it's a expansion and twist lock type system. So while Alice is being a nice assistant and helping me out there, what we have is a system where you actually expand the multi-cut pipe, okay, and then it locks up into a fitting like this. The actual seal is actually done by two O-rings, so it's a double seal system, and then you've got a collar that locks it together. So the important part is, even though it's a mechanical fitting by nature, the seal and the lock are two different parts of that mechanical fitting. They're not one and the same. I was asked that today, so we'll work that out. One of the advantages we have over some of the other options out there is it's a fully serviceable fitting. Now what that means is that you can actually take it apart and reuse it. You don't have to, if you actually make a mistake with a crimp type fitting, which we have on this side as an example, if you make a mistake there, or if you get relaxation of the pipe and you've got AAB pulling straight up and just start like that on the pressure test, you can actually just undo this, twist it back up, lock it back up again. Okay? There's a few key things on the system. There's little ribs in here, and you're welcome to have a look and take some samples. There's little ribs on here, and that basically locks into the pipe, so when it locks in, it actually locks up. There are also anti-vibration ribs on the actual collar itself. Okay. I thought I'd show you a quick demonstration of the advantages of having a full flow system on just the pressure. And so this one here is a crimp fitting that reduces in ID as you actually put each crimp fitting on. This one here, full flow, so the ID never reduces. Now, being a water-based system or a liquid-based system, the flow rate is directly proportional to the duty of the head. So, what happens there is, at the end of the day, you can either get one of two advantages from the system. One, you either have more duty at the head, or if you don't need it, and we've aligned with the hybrid system of ME, and you've got an EC-DC pump at the other end, you save power. So we were talking about energy saving just before there, and how you can affect that. Well, this is one way you can affect that. Okay? By adopting a system like this with full flow, less pressure drop, you actually can save power. There are some studies which I'm yet to gain from Aquatechnik that actually show that the power savings are in the order of up to 30% depending on the system itself. Okay. I thought I'd do a quick demo on how the actual fitting works, so you can get an idea. So this one here, I've just cut it with a little pipe cutter. There's little burrs you can see all around. Okay. The expansion system expands from inside out. So what that means is you don't have to worry about burrs. Okay. Now, trick for young players, I almost did it myself. Put the collar on first. You've done it before, haven't you? And it's a light hold on it. You can see it expands from inside out, and then let's go. That's as simple as that. Burr's gone. Locks in, straight into the thing. Okay. Tool, do the final lock, and away you go. Tool to unlock it, and then you can service it and change the fitting on the end, or whatever you need to. Gee, that was pretty quick, 8 minutes, eh?
Well,
Alistair, my colleague, was saying that because I took him and talked so much, that there's no way I could get it done in 8 minutes. So I said to him, nah, I'll work it out. Some of you have actually talked to me when we're out in the car park and done a little bit more expanded demonstration on this. But yeah, I'm open to questions, but pretty much those are the two biggest factors: serviceability and lack of pressure drop. And lack of pressure drop means that your flow is laminar. If you can, if you want to come up, you can have a look at these pictures here to show what actually happens, because it doesn't reduce. If it doesn't reduce, there's pressure drop, less noise. With the Mitsubishi hybrid system, they don't specify distilled water or anything like that. They just use tap water, or whatever you can get, and as a result of that, what's in the tap water? So your fouling point is going to be in your change of direction of flow. Okay? So pretty simple stuff, pretty logical stuff. I didn't invent it, it's just the way it happens. Yeah, done. Any questions?